Thank you very much, everybody who is in this hall, coming to listen to me, sharing our experience. I'm Rose Molokwane from Shack Dwellers International, belonging to an organization called Fed Up in South Africa. I wanted to understand from the facilitator the theme of the discussion today, and he explained to me that the theme says towards an agenda for local action for poverty reduction. What I wanted to raise is that maybe as Shack Dwellers International, already we have an agenda. We are not moving towards an agenda. We do have an agenda on the table. And then maybe again, what we should look at is the issues that should appear on this local agenda that needs to be practically addressed. For instance, as Shack Dwellers International, we already have an agenda, and the issues on the agenda that we are discussing are the land issues, housing issues, partnership with our government, brokering deals with the bilaterals and multilaterals, and making sure that we have finance in addressing our development issues. We are doing this not only by talking. Shack Dwellers International, at this present moment, we have organized almost 25 countries around the world, using our equity as the people from the community, using our understanding of the issues that are affecting us as the poor people from the communities, making sure that we understand that if we use our little resources that we are having, like creating saving groups in our communities, we can use that saving groups as the leverage to attract the resources from the formal world. So I'm trying to raise this issue that today I'm very much privileged to be given this platform to talk to the government,